Hi friends, welcome in. My name is Josh, and in today's piano tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Lights Are On by Tom Rosenthal. This is a really beautiful piano song, and if you're able to get the chords down, it's actually not that difficult to play. So I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that little piece of the song. That's everything I'm going to teach you how to play today. But first, let me remind you that if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below so that you can see all my videos. And for everyone, remember to leave a like and a comment if you want to support me. That really helps me out a lot. And check out my new Instagram page at Josh Lange Piano. All right, here we go. All right, so let's get started with the verse section. So in the verse part here, I'm gonna teach you the chords first, and then I'm gonna teach you that rhythm that we're gonna play. And that rhythm that we're gonna learn for the verse is actually gonna be exactly the same for all the other sections of the song as well. So you just really need to learn one thing. All right, so this song is gonna be in the key of E flat, meaning that we have 3 flats. E flat, A flat, and B flat. Okay. But we're not actually going to be starting on E flat chord, which would be our 1 chord. We're actually going to be starting on our 4 chord, which is going to be A flat. So we'll play A flat, E flat, and A flat here in the left hand, and then C, E flat, and G here in the right hand. And this G is the major 7th, so we call this a flat major 7 chord. All right? So that's our first chord, and now we'll go up to B flat, D, and A flat in both hands. And that's going to be a B flat 7 chord. Okay. Now we're going to keep the B flats and then go to E flat and G. So this is going to be an E flat chord, but now over a B flat because B flat is our lowest note here. E flat over B flat. And then for our 4th chord, we go to G, D, G, B flat, D, and G. So this is going to be G minor. Okay. Let's review. So we'll start here, A flat major 7, then we'll go to B flat 7, then E flat over B flat, and lastly, G minor. All right, so those are the first 4 chords, and then we're going to continue on 3 more chords here. We're going to start off exactly the same as we did before with that A flat major 7 chord, but now instead of going to the B flat, we're going to just raise this top G up to an A flat here. So that's going to just be a straight A flat chord, no 7th. Okay, and then our 3rd chord here, which is actually going to get twice as long as all our other chords, is going to be an E flat chord, similar to before, but now our left hand is going to be different. So E flat, B flat, and E flat in the left hand, B flat, E flat, G here. So that's just E flat chord. All right, let's put all those chords together now. So A flat, major 7, B flat 7, E flat over B flat, and G minor. Now we continue, A flat major 7, A flat, and lastly, E flat. All right, that's all the chords you need to know for the verse. So if I sing a little bit along with that, that sounds something like this. Lights wrong, you don't know why. All right? So those chords are just going to be repeated for the whole verse. But now let's take a look at that rhythm and really make it sound like the original song. So let's start here with just the right hand. So each chord you're going to see is composed of 3 notes here in the right hand. So here we have C, E flat, and G on our initial chord, A flat major 7. So the pattern that we're going to be playing is pretty simple. It's just going to be the outside ones first, and then we're going to go to the middle one. And we're going to play that 4 times. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Just like that. And then if we continue on, every chord will be exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that, okay? Now let's take a look at the left hand. So in the left hand, it's going to be similar, but just a little bit different. Instead of playing both outside ones, I'm just going to start with the bottom one, and then I'm going to go middle, top, middle, top, middle, top, middle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all it is. So now if we take both of those and put them together, it sounds like this. So take some time, practice that. Try it one hand at a time at first, and then once you're comfortable playing both of them, you can put them together. And then up to speed, it sounds something like this. And you may have noticed there's just a couple things I changed there that I didn't teach you before. And the first of those is going to be on our G major chord, our 4th chord there. Instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 4 like that and going to D on the very last time, we're instead going to go to E flat on the very last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, now E flat, and that helps us transition back to our A flat major 7 chord. Okay? And then the other thing that you can hear is on that very final chord, that E flat chord, we're going to do a little bit of walk down here with the thumb going down to A flat and G. So it sounds like this. Okay? Now that doesn't happen every single time, so listen to the original song and see if you can pick out when it does happen. All right, so that's the whole verse. So now let's take a look at the chorus. Now in the chorus, we're going to be playing the exact same pattern like I said before, so really we just have to learn the chords here. So our first chord here is going to be an A flat major 7 again, but we're going to have C in the bass, so we'll call it A flat major over C. A flat major 7 over C, excuse me. C, A flat, C, A flat, E flat, and G. Okay? Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to F, C, F in the left hand, and then just move this right hand chord. We're just going to take the thumb and move it up half a step to the A. So this is going to be an F9 chord. F, C, F, A, that's not in our key, and that might be why this chord sounds a little bit funky here. So A, and then E flat and G again. And then lastly, we'll end right here with our E flat chord, just like we played it before. And then we'll repeat. So to review that, A flat major 7 over C, F9, and then E flat. So you see here in the right hand, all we're doing is we're playing the same top 2 notes and we're just moving the thumb up a half step. All right? And then if you start to play that pattern, it sounds like this. So as you can see here, instead of playing 4 beats on every chord, we're now playing 8 beats on every chord. All right, so then the last part you have to learn is going to be this kind of post-chorus part, maybe part of the chorus, the end of the chorus you could call it. But the chords here are going to be pretty simple. We're going to start with our E flat chord, just like we had before. Then we're going to go to our G minor chord, same as before, G, D, G, B flat, D, and G. Then we're going to go to our A flat major 7 chord. We've played this one before also. A flat, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, G. And then right back to our E flat chord. Okay, E flat, G minor, A flat major 7, and E flat. So as we transition from this chorus to this post-chorus part, that last E flat chord is actually going to be the first chord of our post-chorus, okay? To explain kind of what I mean there, I told you we were playing 8 beats earlier on each chord in this post-chorus. So we play 8 beats here, 8 beats here, and then 8 beats here. But on the second time through, we'll play 8 beats, and then we'll go straight into the post-chorus. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and repeat. And at that point, we'll repeat back to the start of the verse. And just like that. So that's it for this piano tutorial of Lights Are On by Tom Rosenthal. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you take some time to practice it, get those chords down, really learn that rhythm well so that you can play the song for yourself. It's a really fun one to play. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.